The roofing has been delivered. This is pretty exciting. We have opted for a metal roof. It is something at the top end of our budgetary decisions, but it's a good decision in the long term, so hopefully we won't have to deal with this really again in our lifetime. So these 2x6s are the fascia board that is going to go on, and then I'm going to call the person to do the gutters. That's taking place independently of the roofer with his blessing. And then after hunting season, which is a thing here in terms of scheduling, the roofer will come and put this on the house. Once our roof is on, it'll be a lot better, because what we have on there now and have had on there for the last 9 months or so is the Class A underlayment, which is weather resistant to a point, but not something you want to rely on, and we want to keep it in good shape. So I'm glad we're getting this taken care of before the next winter. And we'll get to plumb in our vent pipes and fans and the chimney for our wood stove. So looking forward to it. Our roof is going to get put on starting Monday. You can see it on the pallets over there. And we're going to say bon voyage to this beautiful blue that has kept us dry the last almost full year now. We're making progress. The fascia boards are on. The gutter guy came out today to put together a bid for us. We're actually going to rainwater harvest on half of this roof into our gray water tank. So I'm excited about being able to do that. And the other thing that is going on is that all of this roofing is being unpackaged and prepared right here to go up on top. And also the jacks are being prepared for the vents and all that good stuff. So exciting day. When things happen, they happen quickly. So this is the end of day 3 of the roofing job. You can see there we've got our chimney cap on. Pretty excited about that. And then we've got our jacks for our fans in the bathroom. And on the other side of the ridgeline, and I don't know if we're going to be able to see this or not, will be the vent jacks for our plumbing. We tied all of our vents together in the attic, so we only have 2 penetrations through the roof for those vents. And I am of the opinion that the fewer holes you can poke in your roof, the better. So that's why we did it that way. The contractor and everybody else agreed with me on that, so that was handy. It's always nice when the professionals agree with you. And you can kind of see the chimney there. And you can't really see the vent stacks. I guess maybe you can see one. Well, maybe not. That's all right. I don't mind not being able to see those. I think it looks really nice. It's gonna be green. You can see that along this fascia, looks like they've started putting it on. Maybe I'll go up the ladder and see what I can see. So we can see the edge here on this fascia as well. I've rethought it. I'm not going up on the roof. I'm not wearing the right shoes. Oh, but there goes William. Here's the view of our roof, about half finished. It took 3 guys a little more than a week to roof our entire house. You can see William's showing the vents that I couldn't see from the ground. And you can see a little bit about the chimney installation as well there. We do have, now that the roof is finished, a ridge vent, and we are going to be installing freeze vents as well. We want to thank you for following along on our homestead journey. Please take a minute to like, subscribe, and share. It means a lot to us to have your support. Have an awesome day and happy homesteading to you.